Today, we're diving into the world of CapCut editing and learning how to add a smooth fade-in effect to your videos. This is a super simple technique that can make a big difference. So, whether you're a seasoned CapCut pro or just getting started, let's jump in. First things first, we need to get your video into CapCut. Tap the big plus button in the center of the screen and select your video clip from your phone's gallery. I already did that. You will see your video on the timeline. Now select the video. With your video clip selected on the timeline, look towards the bottom of the screen. You'll see a row of icons representing different editing options. We want the Animations tab. Tap on that icon. Now, within the Animations menu, you'll see a list of animations. These control animations are applied at the beginning and end of your clip, respectively. Since we're adding a fade-in, scroll through the available animations till you find fade-in animation. By default, CapCut might set the fade-in to a short duration, like half a second. Below the preview window, you'll see a slider. Drag the slider to the right to make the fade-in longer, or to the left for a shorter fade. Play around with it to find the sweet spot for your video. Once you're happy with the look of the fade-in, hit the play button in the preview window to see how it looks in action. Feel free to make further adjustments if needed. When you're satisfied, tap the export button in the top right corner to save your edited video with the cool fade-in effect. And there you have it. With just a few taps, you've added a professional-looking fade-in to your CapCut video. Remember, this is a great way to create a smoother transition at the beginning of your video, grabbing your viewers' attention right from the start. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe for more CapCut tips and tricks. And as always, leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.